Hi, I'm Adele and I'm going to show you how to make granola. You will need maple syrup, olive oil, vanilla, dried mango, dried apricots, nuts, sesame seeds, coconut seeds and oats. You will also need a mug, a jug, scissors, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a bowl and a dish to cook it in. The first step is putting 3 mugs of oats into the bowl. Next you need 6 tablespoons of coconut. Which of these is the tablespoon? If she said the big one, you're right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You also need 5 tablespoons of sesame seeds. 3, 4, 5. You also need 4 tablespoons of nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last thing we're going to add to the bowl is 5 tablespoons of mixed seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to mix it all together. All done. Now you're going to measure 9 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of maple syrup to the oil. And finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's mix the syrup and oil together. And then you're going to pour the syrup mixture onto the oats. And then give it a really big stir. I think that's all mixed together. And then spoon it into your dish. And then just spread it so it's even in the dish. And now it goes in the oven. Now it's all crispy and delicious. And now we're going to cut some dry mango into small pieces. Keep your fingers away from the scissors. Then we're going to cut some dried apricots into small pieces. We're also going to add some dried cranberries. And then give it a good stir. And that's it. That was so yummy.